Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today to the simple and delicious cook, we are going to be doing buttery roasted potatoes in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Really easy, doesn't take long at all. Prep is barely nothing. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, here is what we got. So I've got 5 potatoes here. Now this is just a regular bag, 5-pound bag of russet potatoes, nothing special. So they range anywhere from a little bit smaller to medium size or whatever. But anyway, I got 5 here. You could easily fit 5 medium, even more if you want. So all you want to do is go ahead and take the potato. We're going to go ahead and make sure to rinse your potatoes off first. But go ahead and cut down the middle. All right. Then on that, we're going to cut down the middle there and cut down the middle on the other one. So basically quarters, 4 pieces. All right. Now what you're going to want to do is get these about an inch thick or so. So they're pretty chunky. But anyway, we're going to do that to all these potatoes. I'll do the rest of these off camera, but just to show you what we got here. Some nice chunky potatoes. They're going to be roasted, buttery, and awesome. So I'll finish these. We'll take it to the next step. Okay, so we got the potatoes cut up. Just go ahead and grab any kind of bowl. It's got a glass bowl here. We're going to go ahead and put the potatoes all in here. Now, I like to, with these, leave these skins on the outside. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like to take the skin off or leave it on? Even sometimes when I'm making mashed potatoes, kind of depend on how I feel, but I'll even leave the skins on sometimes for mashed potatoes. But I do like the skins on, but you can peel the skin off if you want. So we got those. What we're going to do now is we've got this little bowl here, and what we're going to do is actually get about to about 3 tablespoons or so of butter. Alright, and get that in there. And then what I'm going to do with this real simple, I'm not going to show you because I'm just going to stick it in the microwave for about 15 seconds, melt it just a little bit. We'll be right back. Okay, one more thing I forgot to mention is now I put them in water. So just after the cut, put them in a bowl, give them in water, rinse them off real quick. Doesn't take long, just a minute or two. Got the butter all melted. So I'm going to drain these and we'll be right back to show you the next step. Okay, so I just dumped the water out and it just kind of gets the starch off of it and stuff like that. So just rinse them real quick. And then we're going to go in with the butter that we melted, about 15 seconds or so in the microwave. Dump that butter all over. Alright. And then after you do that, what we're going to do is go in with some garlic salt. A little bit on top. Now don't go too heavy with this because garlic salt is pretty strong, but you want a nice flavor, so get a little bit of that on there. And then we're going to go in with some cracked black pepper. Yeah, buddy. These turned out so good. Alright. So we're good there. And season it to however you like. So we got all that stuff in there. Now you're going to take a spoon and then just go ahead and kind of toss it all around with the butter and the seasonings and all that stuff. Get it all over the place. And yeah, we're good to go. But I mean, they're already looking buttery. Yeah. So, looking good so far. Alright, so let's meet you at the Ninja Foodi. Okay, so now we are at the Ninja Foodi. Super simple. All we're doing, nothing inside except just the regular drip pan that it comes with. We're going to be cooking the potatoes in this. So what we're going to do, close this down, we've got the power button. We're actually going to down here use the bake function. We're going to bump it up to, oops, that's a minute. Temperature, here we go, 375, actually this should be 25 minutes, 375, we're going to hit start, let it preheat, we'll be back with all these on in just a minute. Alright, it is done preheating after like 2 minutes maybe. It says add food, obviously you can see, so we're going to open that up, nice and hot, and then go ahead and take our potatoes that we got here, just go ahead and dump them in. Oh yeah, buttery, all kinds of good stuff. And what you can do is, actually grab a spatula. Here we go. All the butter and everything, just go ahead and toss them a little bit. That butter everywhere. Melted butter everywhere. Awesome. Alright, cool. So we've got this in, preheated, good to go. Go ahead and drop the top, let it roll. Now we're not going to let it go for 25 minutes straight, but I'll show you the next step. See you then. Alright guys, so we're coming down to 7 minutes. 7 minutes left. We're going to just open that up and oh my goodness, these things look absolutely amazing. So what we're going to do is go ahead, the butter's everywhere. And at this point, after you flip them and turn them, make sure you're getting that butter everywhere. Oh my goodness. These things, I can't wait to taste them actually, but yeah, show you guys when they're done. But go ahead and make sure to just flip them. And I'm going to redistribute that butter all over all of these. Yes, they're already looking golden brown and absolutely amazing. Let's see if we can get you a look at one of these real quick. Oh my goodness. Let's see. You can see that or not. But anyway, they're looking absolutely good. Alright, so just go ahead and toss them up. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and close this top back down. And let it finish. We'll see you then. Alright guys, we're counting down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it'll say end. So it is done. Let's take a look. Oh man, crispy and perfectly cooked. Yeah, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna take these out, put them on a plate, and I'll actually show you what's next. So don't go anywhere because there's actually one more quick step to make these the most amazing roasted potatoes ever. We'll see you then. All right guys, so this is what we ended up with. So these are absolutely perfect. So the last thing you want to do, you can do it if you want, but next to that pan that we had in there still has, you know, some butter and stuff like that with the seasonings and all kinds of stuff. You can go ahead and just drizzle that right over butter, seasonings, all that good stuff. Oh, get in there and then get them out belly. Yum. So that's that. Now we're gonna definitely just pick one out. Oh man, just soft, just perfect. Okay, so look, I got one more thing to say. These are fire. These are absolutely amazing. So let me meet you guys up top. I got one more thing to say. See you in a minute. All right, so we are finished with the cook, and the potatoes are absolutely amazing. Super easy prep. Just put them in there. It's so easy, but so good. It can go with so many things. Now, what I want to say is, it is May. And it's getting hot. I'm in Arizona. We've already reached 100 degrees. So the great thing about doing this versus the oven, one, turning the oven on is going to take a long time. It's going to cost way more money than running the Ninja. And then the biggest thing is it's going to heat your house up. This takes a couple of minutes to preheat. Done. Doesn't get even hot at all. But anyway, super easy, convenient. And these are awesome. So anyway, if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment. And with that being said, we will catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.